When I started to work in construction back in 2009, carbon emissions were not even a topic. We poured concrete, we bent iron, without even thinking that we had environmental impacts. Today, we know that the building industry is responsible for not less than 1/3 of our global emissions. If we want to achieve carbon neutrality, then we have to drastically change the way we design and the way we construct our buildings. And this is happening already. New regulations are coming into force. And we already know that it will be impossible, even illegal, to use the materials the way you use them in just a few years. This is a 10 trillion market entering its carbon revolution. Just think about it. 2.5 million building designers working as architects, constructors, real estate developers, all of them, they will have to switch from decades-old techniques almost overnight. 1.5 years ago, I paired up with Boris to tool this transition. Boris is a PhD in material science, and he's an expert in data analysis. Together with a team of 6 software and building engineers, we are developing a unique digital platform for building designers to propose to them the best solution for each project, just in few clicks. In Kompozite, we gather together a lot of data about construction products, and we make them enter into our own nomenclature so we can use algorithm on it. Where 50 engineers could find one solution in one day for one specific problem, our solution can bring the best options on the table in a matter of seconds. Our platform has been manipulated already by big names in the industry, and we are going to launch our first commercial version by the end of this month. As I said, when I started to work in construction back in 2009, carbon emissions were not even a topic. Today, this is becoming the main topic.